Hey everybody. So I hope you guys are enjoying this full moon period. And this moon has caused me to be more present than ever. I have released and purged so much energy since last night, and I made the change. I let it go. Fuck the future, fuck the past. I'm living life for myself day by day. I'm no longer going to dim my shine and love for others. And I accept myself for exactly who I am. Because I'm very proud of her. She's amazing. I am amazing. I'm leaving my pain behind and starting a new gravitational force. I am a force of nature. And my focus and hope is on me. Because you can't fit a square into a circle. And this isn't working for where I'm going. Even when I adapted into a square, you wanted a triangle. I'm back in my original form. You either become a circle or I roll away with no problem. I'm taking myself into consideration for once. And I don't give a flying fuck what anyone else has to say. I will spread and receive love. And I have put forth a pure release because I planted the right seeds. And the beauty will bloom and grow, and I will enjoy this happiness. I don't care how long it lasts. Because don't worry about the next negative thing to happen. You know, the universe doesn't like to see me happy. Fuck that. Don't manifest that garbage. Like I've been saying, rainbows only show up after the storms, and the storms will always come. Because the plants of life need water. And the negative needs to happen to appreciate and be grateful for the blessings. Namaste, motherfuckers. I love ya.